Hey Josh, my name is Lee Terabienik, and we were doing some research in your area and came across your website and your video online and figured we'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can begin today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and become more interested on how we can help your business grow, just give me a call back and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on the video. So let's jump right into it. The 3 major things I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. So content is basically any writing that you see on the home page here, and even these pictures and what they're saved as is considered content. So if we click on this picture and we hit save image as, it's going to pull up a name. So we would want that as an important keyword, which we're going to get into all your keywords shortly. So I just right clicked it and you could see here this video or this tag is saved as GoPro 146. So not really optimistic for the ranking purposes. You would want that as, like, say one of your keywords is construction Elmira, New York. So you save it as that. So that would help with your ranking for that keyword. But so as we scroll down, you got some nice pictures. I noticed your logo's pretty cool. But you don't really have much for this menu bar. Usually your typical menu bar will have a home, about us, commercial, residential with a drop down, and it will list your services for each. Maybe it's home and then you have siding, roofing, and then kitchen, bathroom remodeling, all your services, so people, whatever service they're looking for, they can navigate to that page and get there easily. Also, that's big for keywords for those separate services, which we're going to touch base on shortly. But you do have some beautiful work. You have some nice pictures that really could make a website look great. It just looks like you haven't really put a lot of time and effort into this. I'm not sure if you don't really know the value, but there's a ton of value to be made by having your website done right, and I'm going to show you that value right now. So as you can see, this was your website. I suggest getting a form submit right here so people can fill their name, email address, phone number, why they're messaging you. It goes right to your email. Makes it a lot easier to convert these clients into actual people that are going to go with your services. Google Map in the footer would be huge, along with a site map, and also content with your keywords throughout it. So I'm going to show you your competitor. So I just typed in home remodeling Elmira, New York. Now Elmira is a bigger city. I hope you travel there because that's where you're going to find your higher volume keywords. So as we scroll down, you could see general contractor elmirany.net is in first position for this home remodeling Elmira, New York keyword. So I want to see what his website looked like. And as we go here, you can see a much well put together website, home, about us, exterior services, roofing, siding, windows, interior, flooring, doors, remodeling, kitchen remodeling, bathroom, reviews, employment, and the contact form. That's a nice navigation menu right here. So people, if I know I want roofing, I don't got to go through any other services that you offer. I know I'm going there, boom, I'm going to roofing. And now this page will have all my keywords too. So as we scroll down, quick get to each service and content. The big thing, Google is just a crawling website and all it can do is read. So if you don't have enough content explaining yourself and what you guys offer, along with these keywords like home remodeling services, I'll show you them shortly, but Google likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page. And again, he doesn't have a map in the footer. That could hurt him in ranking purposes, but he does have a form submit here, which I would put right up in this top so they can get right to it. But yeah, so let's go back to this main search, home remodeling. So Google's broke down into 3 sections. Usually your ads are up here. You'll have your GMB section or the map pack right here. So you're probably wondering, hey Lee, how do I get my business there? Well, first you got to create a GMB or a Google My Business or Google Business listing. So I'm not sure if you have one, but you are not in this top 3, so you're missing out on all them form submits and contacts coming through this. And about 40% of people go to this to hire someone for services. So what ranks you here is a citation. So a citation is your name or business name, address, and your phone number listed in directories across the web, in like the Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook. All those are directories. So the more directories you have your name in, the higher you're going to rank here, because that's your name spread out more across the web. As you can see, home view is in first. So I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA, and this is going to show me how many citation sources he has. So I plugged in his information, and boom, he's got 14, which is low. Look at most of these 30s, 40s. He's easy to beat. Best part about this is we can go into his citation sources, and here's all the places he's getting them from: Facebook, Bing, Yelp, BBB, MapQuest, and they're all submittable. So we can submit your business listing to all these. It's just adding your information, your name, your information exactly as you have it on your listing, and boom, you'll get a citation. So the more you have, I suggest getting 100 of these, 200 of these, get you up in this top 3. And also it's getting your name out there and across this map more so people can find you across your area. The third thing we want to talk about is backlinks. So a backlink is what ranks you down here, and this is the organic section. So these are all your websites directly. I'm not seeing you on this first page, and that's because you don't have much content and you're not really ranking for keywords, which I'm going to show you. But general contractor Elmira is in first place. So I have a tool I use, and this is going to show me all your site stats, the back end of it. And backlinks, let's touch base on those. Backlinks are when one website links back to your website. So you want relevant backlinks. You don't want Pizza Hut linking to you because you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. You'd want other home remodeling service websites or blogs linking to you, or kitchen remodeling or siding, roofing websites linking to you. They're going to transfer the most power, and they're the most trustworthy because you're in the same service. So you have 13 backlinks coming from one referring domain. You're not ranking for any keywords, and you're not getting any traffic at the moment. And that's because you have no content. But that's okay. We can fix that. So let's look at your competitor, which was that general contractor Elmira, New York. Let's see his stats. So he has a 23 and a 0.8. So this UR is showing how trustworthy the website is, and this DR is how strong his backlink profile is. So he has 599 backlinks coming from 50 websites. It's telling me that his backlinks are spammy, because with 600 backlinks, this number should be a lot higher. This goes up to 100 in strength, and his is a 0.8. It's not even a point. So he would be very easy to beat with the backlinks that I have access to. And out of that 50 referring domains, only 31 are transferring any power. So what we could do is go into those and grab those 31 for you. We know it's ranking him at first. So all these websites are giving him a backlink. EasyLocal.com, he's gaining a backlink from. He's gaining power from it. InfoASIC, he's gaining power. This one, gaining power. All these. So we can go reach out and try and get you a backlink from them as well. Business directory. There's a directory. That's helping him in that map pack. So let's go back. And let's touch base on his keywords. Since you don't have any, we can't touch base on what you're ranking for, because you don't have any at the moment. But let's see his and see what's possible for you. And I'm going to show you what it looks like too in a website to have these keywords structured throughout, nice, and make them look organic, like it just flows in your content. That's what we're king at, and that's what Google likes to see. If I can get this to load, 1 second. Go. So his keywords, he's ranking for 35 keywords. Now, this is going to show me the keyword, which is what people are actually typing into Google each and every month right in the search bar, the phrase, how many times it's being typed each month. As you can see, this is represents an average monthly number, and the position and traffic he's getting. So he's getting 65 traffic from his Dean's Construction out of the 200 volume that is typing Dean's Construction into the Google bar. But we want to locate these general ones for people that don't know your business, like someone looking for contractor, Elmira NI. That has 70 searches a month, and right now he's getting 5 of those searches to his website by being in the 5th position. But that's something that we would want in our content. Contractor, Elmira NY. We know people are typing that. That's a huge keyword that could turn it into a client. Contractors, Horseheads, NY. 30 searches. There's 100. Siding installation companies near me. 60 searches. door installation services, 200. So if you had a door installation service page, we could have that in your menu to where people could click it, and we would have this keyword knowing that that's an exact phrase people are typing. So they type that in, Google recognizes it in your content, boom, the link is made. Roofing contractors, Elmira, 40. That's 40 people looking for a roofing contractor in Elmira, NY every month. And this is a hit or miss number. This could be 100. This is just showing us that the minimum is 40. So let's see what else we got. NY siding contractor, 50. Kitchen general contractor, 40. NY construction, 20. Door installation, 80. Value NY siding contractor, 50. Horseheads contractors, horseheads, 30. Contractors Elmira, 70. Contractor Elmira, NY, 70. So this is just his keyword. So we would dig throughout your competitors and do a keyword research, as you can see, Keyword Explorer, for all the services you offer, and we would find all those important keywords and we plug them throughout the content. So this is a website we built for a plumber. As you can see, he offers a ton of services, sump pumps, water line. And on his homepage, we have all his main keywords. As you can see, a nice form submit, links to his socials. They could go to wherever, the locations that he wanted to target, contact us page. But this was the main thing with the content. So Woodland Hills Plumber, that's a main keyword. We have it in a heading. This is called an H1. We have it in his content. Woodland Hills Plumber. Woodland Hills Plumbers with the S. Plumber, Woodland Hills. You want all variables to get any, because people may type it differently, but they're all looking for a plumber in Woodland Hills. So more services he lists. Some nice pictures. Here's another one. Plumber in Woodland Hills. Woodland Hills Plumbers. Granada Hills. Plumber Granada Hills. So that's just an example of what Google expects to see as far as your content, with a nice map in the footer. Contact us, click to call phone numbers. There's endless possibilities that you could do with this content. So, but you just need that content to fit those keywords, and with those keywords comes the buyers. So I hope you got some tips on this. I'd love to speak with you further. I know you guys do excellent work. It's just your website is not matching right now with your guys's image and dream. I know you guys do great work just by looking at your pictures, which we could have a nice gallery page full of all your pictures and jobs. We can even have a section on your homepage of your weekly job to promote, and then list all your services in the tab, so we could start targeting all those keywords and start pulling some real traffic and get your numbers up looking like this guy's. So look at his organic traffic he's getting monthly now. This is monthly to his website. He's getting about 127 traffic just to his general website. So let's say you turned half of those into actual clients. That's about 60 jobs he's getting just from his website. And his numbers are very beatable. Especially with my help, we could go up above that and take over. I'd love to speak more with you about this. So let's touch base. The first thing was content. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on it. Second thing was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I suggest getting 100 or 200 of these, beat these guys out, get into the top 3, and start pulling some traffic here. And the third thing was backlinks or link juice. You guys need more relevant sites pointing back to your website to show Google that you guys are the authority. So if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember, so I bet you're wondering what now. You can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, just give me the call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great day. Any and all feedback is greatly appreciated, and I hope we could take your business to the top. All right, have a great day.